Typically, ay yellow type star. So, may tanong ako, anong kulay kaya ng ating araw? So, yung nagsabing white. How about yellow? Yan, rainbow. Yes, palakpakan naman natin rainbow. Alright. Well, actually, what if I tell you that rainbow is correct? Yan. So, akala nyo mali, tama? Well, let me explain this to you. When someone asks you what is the color person, the simple answer is white. Pero bakit sinabi ni Kuya Edward na rainbow? Because with that white light, all of the colors are present. Alright, so again, when someone asks you what is the color of our sun, the answer is white. And when someone asks you bakit white, because it's actually the combination of all colors in that visible light. That is also the reason kung bakit tayo may nakikita iba't ibang kulay sa ating environment. Just like for example, sa damit ninyo, let's say for example, suot nyo ay red. All the other colors were scattered, only the red ones are reflected into our eye. Pero yung light na nanggagaling ngayon ay nanggagaling naman kay sun, iisa lang. So again, the color of our sun is white. And when someone asks you bakit white, the answer is simple. It is the combination of all colors. Maliwanag po ba? Alright, so moving back. So, maliban kay sun na nakikita natin nasa star, nasaan kaya napupunta ang